Assalamualaikum guys, once again I'm back with another quick tutorial. I hope you are all fine. In this video I'll guide you how to set default apps or change the default apps in Windows 10 and Windows 11. That's a easy process, but mostly people don't know how to change the default applications like browser or any media player. So how you can do that? Simply click on the Windows icon, then click on the settings. In the settings you need to find the apps. Now here on the left side you will find the default apps. Now these applications are by default, you can change them by yourself as you like. Now as you can see here, the web browser, as I selected the default web browser is Chrome, Google Chrome, but by default it's Microsoft Edge, so you can change from here. And also you can change the video player just by clicking on the video player icon, and then you can select the media player that you have installed in your computer. I hope guys you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just comment below. I will try to solve your issues. Have a good day. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.